Okay, so here is the third African violet that came out of that pot. As you can see, there are multiple plants here, and they've been growing and growing. You can tell by the center leaf. This is one. Um, this would be another, because you could have a little center there where the flower is coming from. So that's another plant. So they're growing in clusters and have pushed each other out of the pot. So I don't have any potting material for this, so I'm going to do something new, and that's leca beads soaked in water, and I'm just going to plonk down the violet in there and hope that it can soak in some water. It should not be waterlogged like this, and I'm going to drain it. I was just soaking the leca beads. I'm going to drain it, and then it'll have enough, little bit of moisture underneath, uh, and the beads themselves are soaked with water. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'll see you later.